When there is no flame, both buzzer and LED are off. When there is a flame, see both buzzer and LED are on. When there is no flame, LED and buzzer are off. When there is a flame, both LED and buzzer are on. For this experiment, we need 5 volts battery and a flame sensor which has got 3 pins: VCC pin, ground pin and digital pin. And to indicate the flame detected, we are using LED and one buzzer and some jumper wires. In this experiment, we are detecting the flame without using any microcontroller. Just by using a flame sensor, LED and buzzer, we can detect the flame. This is a circuit diagram. For this, we need a 5 volts power supply, and don't give more than 5 volts. From 3.3 volts to 5 volts, you can give the supply to the flame sensor, and use one buzzer and a LED. First, you connect 5 volts supply pin either from power supply or from 5 volts battery. You connect it to the VCC pin of the flame sensor and ground of the flame sensor to the ground terminal of the supply. And since this flame sensor produces the active low output, so we should connect the output of the flame sensor to the negative terminal of the LED in order to turn it on. And it is also connected to the negative terminal of the buzzer, because this flame sensor produces low output. I tried with connecting the D0 pin to the anode of the LED. So the LED will not turn on when the flame is detected. So since it is producing the low output, you connect the D0 pin to the cathode of the LED and the negative terminal of the buzzer. And the anode and the positive terminal of the buzzer, you connect it to the VCC supply. So this is about the connection diagram. Here is the connection how I have made. I have used one rechargeable battery. So here I am getting 5 volt supply. So the white one and black color, these two wires, I am getting the 5 volt supply. One I am making it as a VCC pin positive supply and ground as the other pin. So this is the result I am getting. For flame, I am using my Deepa. And when the flame I bring near to the flame sensor, it produces the buzzer and LED will turn on. When there is no flame, these two will be automatically turned off. So this is all about the connection diagram I have already explained. So in this way, you can test the flame using the flame sensor. Connect positive terminal of the battery to the breadboard and ground to the other side, and connect the flame sensor, the power supply pin to the positive terminal of the battery and ground to the negative terminal of the battery. Now I am connecting LED. The longer lead represents the anode and shorter lead is cathode. So I connect it on the breadboard. Since this is the D0 pin of flame sensor, and it produces active low signal when the flame is detected. So I am connecting this to the cathode of the LED, and the negative terminal of the buzzer is connected to the cathode of the LED. Positive of the buzzer is connected to the VCC, and cathode terminal of the LED is connected to the cathode of the LED is connected to the negative of the buzzer and the signal pin of flame sensor. Now there is no flame, buzzer and LED are off. Now there is a flame here. So the buzzer is on. So I forgot to tell you the anode of the LED should be connected to the VCC terminal of the battery. Now when there is a flame, LED and buzzer are on. When there is no flame, buzzer and LED are off. When there is a flame, buzzer and LED both are on. When there is no flame, both buzzer and LED are off. When there is a flame, see, both buzzer and LED are on. When there is no flame, LED and buzzer are off. When there is a flame, both LED and buzzer are on.